Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video of showing you my greenhouse and the advances in my seedlings as well as my photo shoot. That is so hilarious to me. I thought about wearing makeup the very next day and then I said, girl, no. No, you are not going back down that rabbit hole again. I wanted to come on and talk to you about the importance of waiting to plant in the ground. When I first started gardening with my neighbor, we had such good success on our first run. We were so excited that when it came planting season the next year, we were fooled by the warm weather. We were so excited that we were like, it's already warm, so let's go ahead and plant. But the ancestors say, and so does the Farmer's Almanac, to tell you if you're going in the ground, it's best to either wait until Good Friday or after Good Friday before you go in the ground and plant. And the reason for that is it is almost assured that after Good Friday, you will not have a cold snap. If you live in a state like Georgia, let's take for instance, prior to yesterday, yesterday was our cold snap, like overnight was our cold snap. Prior to yesterday, we were having 80-degree weather. Your girl was already on her bike. That's how good the weather was. And then when I saw that we were getting a lot of rain and then it would get cold, I was like, wait a minute, what's going on here? And I was so glad that I never put my seeds in the ground, because as you can see from the greenhouse, they're already coming up. So I would have lost all of that. I'm trying something new this year where I'm trying my seedlings in a greenhouse and we're getting them all germinated and they're coming up. I am trying out for the first year succession planting. That's when I plan my planting where I can get a multitude of harvesting. When I first started gardening, I planted, and the harvest that we got from the garden, that was pretty much it. I did not plan on getting any more out of what I first planted. But since we have really warm weather, really almost all the way up until November or sometimes December, I feel like we like green beans. Both me and my neighbor, we love green beans. So I will be planting those. And I will also be planting tomatoes. In my greenhouse, I don't know why I only planted one type of tomato to start a seedling. I do know why. I think I didn't have any confidence in myself. And people who know me know that I do not lack confidence. So I will be planting some more, and I also have some stacked planters that I will show you later. I will be utilizing on my deck for herbs and other things, and I am just so excited about this year's planting. So let's go take a look and see what's happening in the greenhouse today after this cold snap that happened last night. I'm so excited to see what's going on. The greenhouse is great because it is so warm in that thing. No wonder that cat was sleeping in there. I sleep in there too. So let me go and take a look and see what's happening. And I have some ideas about what I'm going to do with some of those planters that I have. If you notice, I use some old planters from when I buy flowers at the big box store. I buy flowers to plant in front of my yard But this year, I'm going to do something different. There's a friend of mine who owns a company. I'll put it here. And they are basically everywhere, and they're also on HGTV, and they do landscaping for various projects. It is a great venture. If you live in a gardening desert, or you do not have stores that you can go to and you can get these items, this will be the place for you. So let's go take a look, okay? Come on, let's do it. Y'all know I am choosing joy all the time, all the time. Ooh, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so we're in here. And let's see. Something's going on with this one. I don't know. It's got a little mold in it, so we're gonna regroup with that. And that is this. I can't see it right now because I didn't bring my glasses out. But it's green beans, I think. Got a little. This was kind of damaged a little bit, but I think it'll perk back up. But everything else is looking good. Oh, okay. I was worried about my onions over here, but my Walla Walla onions are coming up. This is my basil right here, and I see some poking up. It's about to do something, so I'm happy with that. But everything is really looking good. My watermelon. Look at these green beans over here. They're doing fantastic. Okay. Everything is looking good. I am very pleased, thank the Lord, that nothing died. It made it through the cold snap, and we're going to be planting on Good Friday. Come Good Friday, we're going in the ground with this stuff. I am super excited. So thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. Till next time, bye.